Hi, Jake Thorson here. This is my cat. Her name is Dory. And have you ever wondered what cats are really thinking? I know I have. Hey, cutie.
Will you please put me down?
Now I'm going to show you what my cats are thinking of.
What are cats really thinking?
Hey, Callie, you hungry?
What they're really thinking?
Hey, Callie, you hungry?
What do you think? I haven't eaten in like 10 minutes. I'm flipping starving.
Are you hungry, Callie?
You are so stupid.
Hey, Jack, you want in? You want in, kitty?
What they're really thinking?
Hey, Jack, you want in? You want in, kitty?
Yes, I do. Because the dogs outside are gonna eat me.
Hey, Callie, were you taking a nap?
What they're really thinking?
Hey, Callie, were you taking a nap?
I was until you woke me up. See you later. Stupid. And that's what cats are really thinking.